Hi guys, today we're going to react to the opening and ending for ChainsawMan. I'll watch this during my reaction for the first episode, so I really don't know much about the series, but I heard it should be really good. I decided to react to the opening and ending while watching the first episode. I went to YouTube to look at how many views this opening has, and it's 28 million views. That's crazy, guys. That's almost 30 million views in less than 3 weeks. That makes me even more excited to watch this opening and the series itself. So without wasting more time, let's go. So let's start with the opening. So far, very cinematic. It's a cinema. I said that a cinema appears. Wow. Wow, this song. Oh. Wow, what? It seems that they have a really good use of CG and 3D animation. That was really good, guys. It was an unexpected song. I didn't even know what this was going to be about, but it was really interesting. So this seems to be a cinematic ending, right? Like if you were watching a movie, so probably no visuals this time. That's still great. The song is really good. Chainsaw Blood. That's the name, it seems. The lyrics were really good. Interesting. So that's it. Okay guys, incredible songs both from the opening and ending. Let's talk about the ending first. We didn't get any visuals for it, but it was a really good song and the lyrics seems to be really good too. Definitely going to hear it again. Hopefully for the next episode we get to see visuals for it, or I don't know if it's going to be a different ending. So let's talk about the opening. It was really good. Just from the looks of it, we're going to have a variety of interesting characters, at least 10 characters that we didn't see this episode. It should be really good going forward. Also, it seems to have a lot of blood. And if you have watched my Bleach 1000 Year of Blood War videos, yeah, you know how I react when I see a lot of blood. So if you want to see my opinion on the first episode, you can go watch that video. There I talk more about my thoughts on the first episode of the series. I really like it. I'm really excited to see more about this series. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe if you want to see more anime videos in the future. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!